5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi, my name is Alex. This is The Layman, and today we are going to see if the LEGO goat boat is stronger than Thor's LEGO hammer. Mjolnir. Unlike the Avengers, I'm not the best assembler of Legos. It took me about 8 hours to put together both of these incredible works of art. Thor's hammer is from the Infinity Saga. It's a 979-piece kit. It also includes a Thor minifigure, the Infinity Gauntlet, the Tesseract, and Odin's Fire. The goat boat is a 564-piece set, which includes 5 minifigures: Thor, Mighty Thor, Valkyrie, Korg, and Gorr, and all of their weapons. Oh, and don't forget the legendary goats, Toothbearer and Toothgrinder. Thor's hammer is 979 pieces, and the goat boat is 546 pieces, making it a grand total of 1,525 LEGO pieces I will have to pick up when this is done. Hi, my name's Alex, this is The Layman, and I'm gonna drop Thor's hammer onto the goat boat. 5, 4, 3, oh, wait. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was fun! That was beautiful. It could not have gone better. That was so much fun. I had a lot of fun. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please check out the Star Destroyer video where I throw a LEGO Star Destroyer off the roof. Guess what happens? It just shatters into a couple thousand pieces. I'm not looking forward to rebuilding those Legos, but at the same time, it's not gonna be as bad as rebuilding the Star Destroyer, which I did. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to subscribe, that'd be awesome. You don't have to smash that bell. You can just leave a nice comment, hit the like button, I don't know, tell your friends, make your mom rewatch it with you over and over again. I don't care how old your mom is, she could be 90. Just be like, Mom, you gotta watch this. You gotta see this. Ma, check it.